With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. To loosen the adhesive, we use a plastic triangle opening tool. We remove the back cover. Remove the screws from the middle frame. Here we have the lens cover camera. We remove 3 screws. Here we have the antenna. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Here we have the loudspeaker. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. Using a plastic tool, let's remove the battery. Now we remove the screen connector. With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. To loosen the adhesive, we use a plastic triangle opening tool. It's time to remove the broken screen. Before glue the screen, we have to clean the old adhesive from the middle frame. We apply industrial adhesive glue depending of the color of the device. Before glue the new screen, you must check if the screen is working properly. Now it's time to install the new screen. Now we return with the assembly process. Now it's time to check if the device works properly.